What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to our new house. Holy crap, so excited for this and so excited for what it means for the channel. When I met Clara, I was living in my parents' basement and I had tons of parking. And so I could have tons of vehicles. The first house that we moved into was a dinky little studio apartment that was $850 flat a month. Oh, babe. Whoa, whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? You ruined it. Saw that. And here is the Nugget home. And a beautiful bed. And we got our tiny little kitchen. Place to hang your stuff. Oh, hey. We got our tiny little itty bitty bathroom. And there's my hot wife. And it had street parking and on the side parking. And so 3 was kind of like the maximum amount of vehicles we could get there. The second apartment that we moved into was like a townhome apartment thingy. Well, this is it. This is goodbye to the old place. See you later. Oh, hey, we still got that rug. Goodbye. See you later. Just had a parking area and 1 covered parking space. And so again, like 3 vehicles was about the maximum that we could go. And then the third place that we rented out, it had a 2.5 car garage plus 1 parking space on the street.
Rattlesnake.
Hey. Okay, so this is where we've been living for the past year. As you can tell, this is the living, dining, and kitchen. This is all that we've had for a kitchen. Sink, no dishwasher. Dude, you're noisy. And we've just had 2 burners, a microwave oven. And then the bedroom, I mean, it wasn't bad. It was nice to have a walk-in closet. The bathroom was really nice. Nice granite countertops, nice marble tile, but it didn't have a bathtub. All I had was just a shower. So they were
very
really
stingy rich people.
Yeah,
that don't like it.
That community is kind of crappy to live in, honestly, because my truck leaked coolant, and they threw a hissy fit like a lot.
Oh, if you didn't, I mean, just if it was an ugly car, they didn't like it
exactly.
at all.
They didn't like my truck because it had dents and it had scratches, and they just were like, ugh, I hate that I have to look at that. And so that sucked. So now, with this house, we have so much parking, and I can let all of my car guy tendencies to buy random crap boxes all day long just roam free because I've got the room to park all of them. Seriously, I probably have 15 parking spots on this place. All right, I'm gonna come show you around. So this is the side of the house backyard. Obviously we've got the Corvette, a giant overgrown tree that's perfect for shading 1 vehicle. And so that's why the Corvette's parked here. But I mean, just look at this. They're like just in this one spot, I could probably park 8 cars. Easy, easy. Tons of room, tons of room. So let me show you the backyard. So we just put these cool lights in. Excited about those. We've got this giant tree. There's funny story. So these rocks go around the whole property basically, and in the shade of the tree, there's 1 really big lizard that lives like here. I can't see him right now, but he lives here. And there's a ton of lizards that live in the not shaded area. And every time a lizard that lives in that area comes over here, he chases them off. And I just love it. I'm a freaking animal guy, and so I'm super hyped that we got, oh, that might be him right here. I don't think that's the big guy. I think that's one of the little ones.
He's still pretty
He's still pretty big, yeah, but he's not the big guy. So the house is tall enough that in the evening, the whole backyard gets shaded, and oh, it's so awesome. We didn't think we were gonna, oh, Brattle. When we were looking for houses, backyard wasn't really important to us, but now that we have one, holy crap, we are going to enjoy the heck out of this place.
It was kind of important.
Well, I mean, it was important, but it wasn't like a essential. It wasn't like a need.
It was essential to have something, but definitely not this.
Not this magnitude, yeah, not this much grass.
Like enough that Radley can go get some sunlight, but not.
But
This is more than
this is excess, yeah. This is more than I thought we were gonna get. So the garage is weird because it's not a garage, it's a carport. But it's got a garage door, and that's all I care about. The V barely fits in here, so look at how much space is in between there. It's very close. It just barely fits in here. You got tons of room
with
on
the
the side,
sensor
though.
specifically.
So the funny thing about this garage is it's super short. The truck will get in here, but just barely. It is very, very short. But, and if you can tell, this is the outside of the house. So this is definitely an afterthought. But I'm still happy. I got a place to work on cars that is out of the sun. So we've got all that parking over here, and then we've got this awesome wraparound driveway. And honestly, we could probably park some cars right here too, if they were nice enough. But the truck, we got big, nice shaded trees, big trees to shade the house and vehicles, which I think is awesome. This driveway, however, is so bad for freaking getting on. Like, the Vet and the V both scrape like crazy on that incline. It is not car friendly. So if we want to take the V, we have to go all the way up there. The truck is the only one that can get up this. We've got these really pretty rocks that go around the whole thing of the driveway, and then again, parking like crazy. Like, you could fit 2 cars right there, side by side, line them up all the right here. Like, we have ridiculous amounts of parking, and I'm so freaking excited. So guys, I couldn't control myself. Knowing that we were about to close on this house, I found a vehicle to buy, and I bought it before we even closed on the house. We bought it, and that's going to be on the next video. But here is a little sneak peek of what it is. All right, guys, here's the sneak peek. So we got Tonka, we've got orange, and I'm only going to show you just a little bit of that. Oh, this thing's so freaking cool. Check out the next video. I am super hyped to show you guys this thing. But the other amazing thing about this house is right across the street, we have this freaking incredible pond with ducks and turtles and koi fish and trout and every sort of kind of freaking animal you could think of. We got everything loaded up in the truck. What's up, Rattlesnake? So let's go check it out. So in here, we've got these kind of 2 living room areas. I guess it was a thing in the 90s to make a weird like sectional thing in between. So I guess you have 2 living rooms or whatever. We've got this dope little hidey hole, and Radley's already got a Hot Wheel chilling in it. So here's the stairs. Not too shabby. The dining area / kitchen. That's where the washer and dryer go. There's the kitchen. Nice laminate countertops. I don't love them, but yeah, whatever. Dishwasher's kind of hammered. A little bit rusty on there. You see those black tips. Probably need a new one soon. Fridge is yellow color of the walls. We're definitely gonna get a new one, and then we'll probably just put this sucker in the garage. Stovetop, microwave. Here's the garage. I don't know. Well, I don't know if you can technically call it a garage. There's the garage, and then you've got this little storage area in here. Kind of neat. Got the pinkiest thing right there. Here's the pantry, kind of interesting location, and the non-doored closet. Cool. Here's a master bedroom. Coolest thing about the master bedroom, the window into the garage so I can look at the Corvette or the V or whatever we park in there. Sick. Here's the completely redone bathroom, which is super nice. Coolest part about the bathroom by far. Shower head. Sick. Let's go check out upstairs. So, storage area up there. Cool. Here is a bedroom. Kid's bedroom, I guess, if that's what we use it for. Most likely will be kid's bedroom. Little fan. Neat. And then they got little shelving installed inside. And then we've got another kid's bedroom up here. Not bad. And then the bathroom. Sweet. Not bad. New flooring, new cabinet. Looks like a standalone, pretty easy. No pull-out drawer right here, but there's a nice little cubby for toothbrush and stuff right there, which I actually really love. So, pretty sweet. We got a bathtub. We've wanted a bathtub for freaking years now. Claire is very excited about that, and so am I. All right, guys, so let's talk some business. So, the housing market where we live during the whole COVID thing was going up, and then it flatlined. And the interest rates dropped to super low, and that caused a giant buying spree. Plus, everybody from California is wanting to move here, so I honestly see the housing market where we live just going up. And so we pulled the trigger. Now, the one issue with the whole COVID thing, though, is all 0% down options completely died. And when we started this housing hunt, and if you added up our savings plus our credit card bills, we were like negative $1,000. But then Trump saved the day, and we got $2,900 for the stimulus check. We got roughly $5,000 back on our taxes, and I sold that $200 gym for about $5,100 profit. And so that put us up like $10,000 to $13,000. But now, guys, I was this close. That freaking 13 grand was burning a hole in my pocket, and I was seriously this close to buying a CTS V2. The guy that was selling it was one of my buddies, and he said he'd give it to me for $16,000, and I was this close. And like, I test drove it. I said yes. We were gonna go to the bank and grab the loan, and I was gonna snag it. And then somebody offered him $18,500, and it walked away. So I was pretty bummed about that, but I'm pretty happy because we've got a house instead. So the housing market where we live for a $250,000 home is insane. So this house was listed for one day for $249,000. We offered them $255,000 first, and in one day it was us and 7 other offers. And they came back to us and said, all right, like everybody up there offers one more time, and then we'll choose the winner. And so we talked to the mortgage guy, we got the interest rate lower, and we managed to bump our offer to $260,000. And that got us the house. But the cool thing is when the appraiser came and appraised it, the appraisal amount came back at $260,000. So this house was actually worth exactly what we were paying for. So it wasn't like we were overpaying. We just lucked out on the whole bid process and won it. But guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We're super excited for the house. We're super excited to have 15 parking spots, and we're excited to fill those 15 parking spots. I apologize for not being consistent on the uploads. We've been doing crazy things like buying appliances and stuff, which is fun but expensive and time consuming. So thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget, give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Oh, and yeah, happy 4th of July. The hill's on fire! Bradley, are you loving the cars? Yeah, he's hyped on all the cars. Also,
hyped on the cars, the popsicles, fireworks.
Popsicles and fires. Bradley, look at the hill, it's on fire. Isn't that neat? Wow.